Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes WMIC not working fix couldn't add error easily.
Type PowerShell in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Copy command from description and paste it.
I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.